lovelies, welcome back. I am just tired today. I don't know why, but I am just really sleepy and tired, and I cannot be bothered with anything. But this spooky box arrived, and this is like the sole thing that has made me drag my ass up, put on a little bit of a face, and get in front of the camera. Like, I am not looking particularly presentable today, but I don't care. I just want to open this box because I'm excited for it. So this has perked me up a little bit. I did get this a little bit spoiled for me today before mine had even arrived, and I was so annoyed, but it's fine. Can you believe, by the way, for anyone who's been following like the whole attic journey, it is actually, are you ready? Are you ready for this information? It is too warm up here today. Yes. Can you believe it? It's actually too warm. I've had to open the windows and hopefully it's not too loud, but whew, I can tell this is going to be a problem in the summer. But it is a nice change, so I'm welcoming it. So we are just going to go ahead and open this. So this is A Ghoul's Work Is Never Done. So that's cool. That theme intrigues me. I'm hoping maybe there'll be some things in here that will inspire me again, perk me up, make me want to get work done. So here we go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah! Okay, it's cute. It's already very cute. Oh dear. Okay. Right, candy first, then oh, then all the other cute things. So we have some blackcurrant jawbreakers with a bubblegum center. So that's cool. I think it's pretty cool that they started putting other types of candy in here instead of the lollipops, because I guess not everyone likes lollipops, but with this, you know, it's always something different, so you're more likely to at least sometimes get something you enjoy. So that is pretty cool. Got some sweeties. Okay, next up is like a cute little sort of like Ouija board themed lanyard, which is adorable. I feel like I needed a lanyard recently for something. Did I? Or did Jake need one? I feel like for some reason I felt like I needed a cool one, and now I have a cool one. So if I ever figure out what that was, then I have one now. So that is really cute, because I have a couple of like kawaii type lanyards, but no like spooky ones. And now I have a spooky one, so that is very nice. Right, the heat is not helping with my low energy. I'm sorry if I'm not as perky in this. I promise I'm excited. I'm just like a zombie today. Okay, so the pin is here, but I can't see what it is yet. It's like upside down, so shall we experience this together? I think we should. I wonder if I'll have it upside down or the right way. Like 3, 2, 1. Oh, what are you? Oh, that's cute. Oh, and it's relevant. So this is like a cool little thing. The frame is like bones, and it says, "I'll sleep when I'm dead." And that is very relevant to me because I never sleep. I'm always awake. You can message me at any time of the night if you're one of my close friends, and I'm like, yes, hello, how can I help you? So yes, that is very cute. I really like this one. I think I will get a lot of wear out of this one. But then at the same time, it's always my favorite ones that I'm like afraid to wear because I don't want to lose them. But I really do like the design of this. You know I like bones. I meant to put my bone earrings in before I came upstairs, but now I'm upstairs and I can't be bothered going down to get them. So, but I do love bone themed things, and this has that, and the quote is very relevant to me, so I am super into. Ooh, I'm gonna put this one on now because we can do that. Yeah, kinda. It's not super well positioned, but it's there. Okay. Okay, so this is really cute. This is what got spoiled for me, but I am still just as delighted by it anyway. So, oh, that's adorable. I think having the window open tends to make me like quiet myself down as well, because I'm like paranoid and I don't want to be quite as shrieky when I know everyone can hear me, but it's just too warm. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. So I guess this is probably intended to be like a little snack lunch bag or something, because it says, "Is it lunchtime yet?" And that's so cute. It's like the little ghost with the little pink. That is like actually adorable. I'm kind of dying. This is like a really nice material. It's like a sort of like fake like leathery type deal. And it has like good zippers. And I can't even tell how the print's on there because it's like on there really well. I like this. Let me see what it's like inside. It's just a wee bit hard to open because it's been like squashed in the box, so the zip is like not aligned properly. Hold on. There we go. Oh cool, yeah, wow. Oh, it just got better. Okay, yeah, so it's actually like lined, like, you know, like to keep your food cold and stuff, or warm, I guess. I assume it works both ways, you know, that kind of thing. So yeah, that is really cool. I can use this up here because I can go to the kitchen, I can make myself a little lunch for the day, and then I can bring this up here, and then like some things can go in my little fridge, and then this will keep everything else like nice and fresh. That's really cute. Also for days out, because now I have lots of days out planned with fun friends, so I'm just very happy about this. This is really cute and nicely thought out, and I love just cute, spooky, practical shit, and this is what I live for. Oh, there's lots of other cute stuff in here too. We've got more cute stationery, which you know I love. Like, I was super hyped for the, what box was it? It was like called Dark Agenda or something, and it had like loads of cool stuff like that. So we have got a Spooky Box Club to-do list, and I actually love this, and I prefer this than trying to like properly journal, because I don't know, I have a thing with ruining journals, but I like making lists, like simple little to-do lists. That's like the main thing I ever will write down, so this is like perfect for me. So yeah, it just has a little bed at the top, it has to-do list, and it has little boxes that you can check off as you do the things. So I am really hyped for this. I am going to get some serious use. Oh my god, there's other cute things in here too. Okay, so yes, happy about this. The camera, I don't know if I've changed the settings or if Jake's changed the settings, but it's like very warm toned. Like, I'm very yellow today. I don't know what's switched on it. Okay, so the next thing I'm looking at, hold on, let me just put it together before I show you. It's so cute. It says Ghoul Boss. It's like a little flag. Oh my god, I love it. I'm gonna like put this over at my little desk where I have like my sewing machine and where I tend to put my laptop when I'm working up here. I'm gonna like stick that there so it's always looking at me to remind myself that I am a ghoul boss and I can get shit done. Oh yes. I am so happy. Okay, yes. Good. This so far has been an incredibly useful box. Okay. Okay, one last thing in here. And oh cute! It's a little charm which I guess can go on the lanyard. And it's reflective. It's a little ghost. So it's like a little reflective ghost charm. Let me just I don't even know if I have anything that I need to put on this lanyard, but I'm just gonna walk around with a lanyard with a ghost on it just because it's cute. Whenever I'm doing work, it'll be like my little work themed thing. I don't know. I will find a use for this either way, but ooh, maybe even my keys. But yeah, this is really cute. I love the little ghost. He looks quite concerned. He is concerned. Are you getting your work done? Do you need some tea? He doesn't know, but he wants to help. So yes, that is everything in this box. I really like the stuff we got. The pin was awesome. The little lunch bag with like the insulated inside was really cute. And the little ghoul boss and the to-do list. Very good. Okay, right, let me read and make sure we got everything. Okay, custom made spooky lunch tote. Yes. Custom made Batty to-do list pad. Yes, that's gonna be going on my desk as well. Custom made ghost reflector charm strap. Yep, what is wrong? Yes, we got that. Custom made I'll sleep when I'm dead enamel pin. Yes, relevant. Custom made ghoul boss mini flag. Yes. Custom made creepy corp goth lanyard. Yes. And black currant jawbreakers. Yes. So cute. I really enjoyed that box like a whole lot. This box and the last one I have enjoyed so much, and it's been like stuff that is very useful to me, so I am very happy. Look, I am ready for work now. That made me happy. Quite a bit happy. So yeah, the links that you need will be in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite thing in the box was. What did you think of this one? Give this video a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind, because I always appreciate that. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos like this, and we also have a bunch of other stuff for you to check out. And finally, if you wouldn't mind checking out my Patreon, that would be awesome. That is how you can support this channel and make sure we keep going, and the link for that is in the description as always. There's loads of information on my page that will let you know a bit more what it's about. Is that a sentence? I think so. I'm tired, okay? Okay, I will see you in the next one. I am now gonna try to do some work on the attic, which is a daunting task when you're as sleepy as this girl, but I'm gonna try. Okay? Okay. I will see you next time. Bye, lovelies.